Okay, this is the second iteration of the 2-pack collection of Nike Dunk Low SB Premium version released last month. The first one was the Equinoise, and this time it's the Mystic Red. Sneakers color palette were inspired by the Japanese color combo dictionary, hence the tag reference number on the tongue. Hey boss, Pinaman Chef here again, and in case you missed the review of the Equinoise, you can always check it back on my channel. But first on this video, let's talk about the Mystic Red, the other colorway of the 2-pack collection. Actually, this is currently sitting in Sneakers EU in full sizes, and that's a good news if you prefer the Mystic Red colorway. Sneakers is made of hairy suede red leather on the uppers, including the base with a bit of a lighter shade. However, the swoosh, tongue labels, and heel tab Nike branding are utilizing turquoise green color tones. Adding some contrast are the burgundy outsoles with usual herringbone patterns. Okay, when I got the sneakers, straight away I was thinking, why not make them breads by simply adding the black lace into the sneakers? You could easily achieve the bread look. And the good thing is I still have the spare laces from my black gums, so I really did not buy new laces. Normally, if I'm wearing red sneakers, I always pair them with neutral colored or dark green pants. That way it will minimize the loudness of the red color. As you can see here, they blended well with my cargos together. Now, if you wish to wear shorts, then I would suggest to wear the black color. For example, this Uniqlo shorts that I have here, I think they really match together with the Mystic Red. And to be honest, I'm not really a fan of baggy shorts because I'm not that tall. And lastly, dark green shorts will do the trick as well, as long as you feel confident of what you're wearing. You have to take note though that if you're big and a wide-footed guy, you better go a half size up on the SBs due to its thick paddings, otherwise stay true to size. It is really nice that SBs are dropping a lot of releases lately, and from the customer standpoint, that's a really win situation because I don't need to join thousands of raffles just to get the SBs. And you have to take note also that the quality of Nike SBs, they're always superior, and it's the best value or the good value for money sneakers. You have the Zoom Air technology, thick paddings, and of course, really feels premium on hand. Also, I think this is a perfect autumn shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video by the way, and I will see you soon. Peace.